Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and today I guess is Doogee Day because I have for you now my unboxing and first look of the Doogee S96 Pro. Now what is the deal with this rugged phone from Doogee? Guys, this is the first rugged phone with an infrared night vision capability. And guys, your guess is as good as mine what that exactly means, but it sounds pretty neat. And quick rundown of the specs of this device, you have IP68 and IP69K water resistance with a Helio G90 onboard octa-core processor, AI quad camera, and this 20 megapixel Sony night vision camera. A huge 6,350 milliampere battery capacity with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. With a starting price of $299, but with special introductory pricing coming soon. Definitely check the links in the description for the latest pricing details of this S96 Pro. Now let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And I don't think I need scissors this time, just tearing it off. Infrared night vision, man, that is something else. And I'm liking the box, Doogee, with this kind of nice radial look. And this must be the quad camera setup here of the S96 Pro. Lifting the lid, and there we go. And there you see the Doogee S96 Pro below, and you have your charger. This should be 18 watt. There you go, AC adapter. But wow, look at this. We have quite a bit of things here. We have our USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a very nice little wrist strap here to use with this phone. And I think this is the tool for the SIM tray, if I'm not mistaken. And look at this. Doogee has actually sent us wired earbuds in the box. Very nice touch. And it looks like we will have a screen protector in here actually. Yep, there it is. Paperwork and the user manual. And a thank you card from Doogee as well. And now let's do it. Let's take out this Doogee S96 Pro. Look at this. Yes, this is a familiar sight now. I definitely have seen this type of design before, but this one feels really great, and I'm loving this quad camera look on the back. A really nice look here on this phone. With NFC on the back, there you see it, and all of the other various capabilities. IP68 water resistance, really nice tactile buttons here, and this looks like it is the side-mounted fingerprint scanner on this phone. And yes, this is definitely the tool for this SIM card, because this SIM card is really tough to take out without this tool. But there you see, you get a TF card support and dual SIMs on this phone. And turning on the S96 Pro for the first time, Doogee, powered by Android. And first impressions of this Doogee S96 Pro, it is looking really good. Similar type of launcher here to the previous Doogee rugged phones I've tested, like the S88 and S68 Pro. But I think the Helio G90 octa-core processor was a good call here because, you know, the other phones sometimes were a little bit slower, but now with the 8 gigs of RAM on board, I think this is going to be a really fast, really zippy experience. And just as a point of reference, here you see the Doogee S68 Pro. They are pretty similar in terms of size, but the Doogee S96 has definitely gone a little bit slimmer, which I actually do appreciate because it actually has even more battery life in this phone. And just something about it, but I really do love the design of the back of this Doogee S96 Pro. Definitely an evolution from what we've seen before, and a very nice step forward in this regard. And this phone is military standard 810G. So this Doogee S96 Pro is going to survive a beating. You've seen my testing of these Doogee phones before. They are rugged beasts, no doubt. And looking at the cameras, and I can already tell that the performance of this camera is much improved. And the quality, you can already tell, is much improved from the previous cameras we've seen on other Doogee phones. And apparently this is a Samsung FGX9 sensor. I've never heard of that sensor before, but just from initial impressions, I do appreciate the fast shutter. And man, the detail on this camera is actually really impressive. And now just as a fun final experiment here in this unboxing and first look, I want to check out this night vision camera that is really the highlight feature for this phone. So let's go ahead and turn off all the lights here in the room. We're in pretty dark settings. Let's go ahead and turn on here night vision. And there you see it, guys. There's the night vision mode, and it is turned on. You can definitely tell it is night vision. Now I'm not in pitch black here, but you can definitely already see how this night vision camera works. Let's take a shot of the plant. That is pretty neat. And I can definitely see this being used not even just as a camera, but being used as a viewfinder for night vision. So if you're out camping or if you're doing anything in a pitch black room, you turn this on and you basically have a night vision camera at your disposal. That is pretty awesome. So that's it, guys, for my unboxing and first look of this Doogee S96 Pro. And this phone is actually pretty exciting. And stay tuned, of course, for my full review and experience of using the highlight features of this phone, like the night vision camera, testing the rugged nature of this phone, and much more. And hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Doogee S96 Pro? And what are your thoughts on these rugged phones starting to provide these very unique features like night vision, thermal imaging, and stuff like that? I think it's a pretty cool development, and obviously these phones are for a very unique type of customer, but hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. So thanks once again to Doogee for sending this one out. Stay tuned for the full review of this phone, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Man, night vision rugged beast. Who would have known?